The length and breadth of Amisha's kitchen garden are x meter and y meter respectively. The length of Prachi's kitchen garden is 5 meters more than that of Amisha's garden. Okay, means length is 5 more, and breadth of Prachi's garden is 3 meters more than that of Prachi's garden. Means breadth is 3 meters more. Okay. Find the difference between the areas of Amisha's kitchen and Prachi's kitchen garden. Okay. So let's mark them as A and P. Okay. So length of A is x, length of B is y. So area of A is xy. Okay. What about P? X plus 5. What about B? Y plus 3. Right? For P. So area is what? X plus 5 into y plus 3. Now the difference is x plus 5 into y plus 3 minus xy. Right? Simple. Solve the brackets. X into y plus 3 plus 5 into y plus 3. So you get xy plus 3x plus 5y plus 15 minus xy. So xy gets cancelled. 3x plus 5y plus 15 meter square is the difference between the areas between